Alright, ladies and gents, heading on off to Prado. Gonna check out the bite. Hasn't been super great to me this season, but let's see if we can turn things around today. Yeah, there you go.
Half the town screaming out in vain, the other half is fake, but everybody's singing along. It's okay, we'll all soon be gone. Hey, what's the matter with the bright red lights? Hey, in the moment when the world went blind, but everything's alright. We don't give a damn this time.
There we go. Oh! I just lost a toad. Damn it. Dropshot. It's decent. See if I can land them without using the net. Yeah. 10 feet. Golden State ball heads. Oh, pelican. It's chunky. Putting up a good fight. Yeah. That's the only downside with that rod holder is it blows over all the time. Yeah, you don't want to quit. Hit the bottom one. Yeah. Nice football. Yeah, I got it. Nah. They'll trash my rig. I have to use my grabbers. I don't know if I can get a hold of them. Too fat. Oh, stop. how fat he is. There we go. That Golden State ball head. Let's get some out.
Chunky bro.
Alright guys, a little after lunchtime. Bite's been extremely slow. I just lost that real nice one earlier, broke me off. But here and there guys were catching up fish, so hoping the afternoon bite wakes them up a little bit. I know the fish are in here, but the wind is probably playing a role, and the fish seem to be definitely schooled up, because guys are catching 2 at a time, right back to back. So it seems like the school comes by and they'll hit, and then otherwise they ain't here. So hope our luck changes, see how we do. Still gets close, now it's not so little. Yeah, look at that. That line's not in the water, so you don't have to worry about it.
Triple drop shot.
Mm-hmm.
Threw it out there to take a break with you.
Yeah. Oh yeah, just sitting there?
Sitting there while I got getting ready to sit down. I jumped on it. I saw my leg.
That's a nice one.
So this
Yeah,
is
they got nice Calaveras hook jar right there.
yeah, third fishing trip. Finally didn't get skunked.
Dead stick in the drop shot.
Yeah. Thanks, brother.
Anytime, dude.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he hit it twice. I felt a little tap. Yeah. Nice size one. Oh! And that rod just broke me off. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, it hit the line and then it snapped up and broke me off. Oh well. Alright, ladies and gents, there you have it. Interesting day over at Prado. But Prado for me this season has been a difficult mistress. You might hear me use the term snake bit quite a bit. I was definitely snake bit today. As you saw in the video, I had an absolute toad on, and it was, I don't know if you could hear it well in the video, but I hadn't had a bite in a couple hours, like nothing, just grinding, and that thing just hit and screamed drag, and it was pulling so hard and so fast. I thought my drag was too loose, and I think the problem is I reached up to tighten it a couple clicks, but my drag was set right. It was just a really nice fish, and the next run he just snapped my rig off, and my fault. I panicked. It happens to the best of us. We try to remain calm, but that thing was out of nowhere, and it was on in a flash, and it just kind of startled me. So I messed it up, but and then later had another one on the drop, and it went into my bait and weight, and it sprung my little rod holder I got there, and that snapped me off. So it just seems I couldn't win today, but still had a good time. We had to grind a bit. It was tough getting the fish to bite, but they did after a while, and we got some. But yeah, that's so far that's the best day I've had at Prado this season. I've been a few times. You just haven't seen videos because I did not do well at all. But that's just fishing. And it's still fun to go out, and I still love the lake, and as you can see, I broke one off. There's still big ones out there, They're putting them in every week, so it's definitely worth going out and checking out. And then I didn't get it on video, but a subscriber came up to me and he caught a toad, caught a 7-1, and got on the double drop, and he said it was all because of my videos, and he was watching my videos, and that just made my day. Really, really cool. So if you ever see me, come up and say hi. Don't be shy. I like talking to you guys. I like talking fishing. Seeing what you guys are doing is working. And even if you're a novice and just been watching the videos, trying out, like, sometimes you're going to find out something that I don't know. So I want to talk to you because I want to catch some fish too. Never be afraid to come up and say hi. I enjoy meeting you guys. So until next time, always remember to like and subscribe. Leave me lots of questions or comments. I love answering them, and we'll see you on the next one. Hopefully it's better fishing. Tight lines.